Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to connect TikTok Shop to TikTok account. So first things first, you must go to TikTok seller website, and then if you have a account on your TikTok, you can just simply log in using your TikTok. If you don't, you can sign up using your TikTok account. Just one right here. And another thing, you can also connect your TikTok account to your TikTok shop by going to this section on my account and then link TikTok accounts. And here, as you can see, you will be able to see your TikTok account right here if you already connected it, and if you don't, you can connect it in this one. And then that's it guys. I hope you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.